Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifelong Watchers, and we are going to learn about idioms that we can use in our everyday life and also how we can use it in a sentence. Kill two birds with one stone. It means a single action knocks out two tasks or responsibilities. In other words, accomplishing two different things at the same time. For example, why not go to the post office on your way to the mall and kill two birds with one stone? I hope this was helpful. If you have any queries regarding the same, you can comment below. And if you have any other idioms or words to be explained, I would be happy to help. And yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you.